Hi, Tom Strong, EllisDon Construction. Question for Marwan. Were there any sub-trades that didn't participate in the process, and then did you have to step in and model those elements, like sprinklers or electrical?
Ledcor's take on this has been always that we are consumers of models, that we don't really create model unless we have to. So sprinkler came from the sprinkler contractor. Steel came from the steel. In this job specifically, we didn't have to do any modeling ourselves. Everybody on the table was coming with their own set of tools that spoke back to Navisworks.
So there were like multiple file formats and softwares involved.
Yeah, and this is why a virtual light table like Navisworks, and we love it just because it's open to so many different packages. And that was a challenge because we knew the HVAC didn't have Revit. They did do the training, but they realized that it couldn't speak back to their CNC machines. So they had to go back to their CAD program, the 3D CAD, and basically inherit the geometry from the consulting team and recreate some of these big ducts in their CAD program.
How did you set up at the very beginning when you're tendering the job or you're selecting sub-trades and whatnot? Did you include a requirement in the tender package that the sub-trades had to model, or was it sort of negotiated as the trades came
It was a
aboard?
negotiated contract. But we did have a language in our contract. What are the expectations from KPH? They knew that they need to have someone like Derek who knows Revit. And they did put an investment in doing that. And similarly for the electrical guys, they did the same thing. Their coordinator on site was capable of going into Revit and modifying the location of the electrical cable trays.
Were the consultants involved in the review process of the assembled Navisworks files?
No, it actually was mostly Ledcor. Took it from design through construction, and that was something that we decided early on just because of the comfort level that the designers had at that stage.
So you had like traditional paper shop drawing submission process and with the consultants?
Oh, well, some consultants will share their electronically their files, but in terms of Navisworks or taking the ownership of the model for coordination, Ledcor had that lead from the very beginning.